How long do you leave the tea to brew? Whether to put sugar in? What type of tea to use? And do you put milk in the cup before or after the boiling water? From the temperature of water to the color of your cup, multiple factors influence the flavor of your chai. Next to water, tea is the most consumed beverage in the world. Thanks to the 4,000-year-old Chinese tradition, globally we sip about 3.7 billion cups of tea per day. So let's get it right. So what are the golden rules to make a perfect cup of tea? Needless to say, different teas require slightly different methods, but ultimately the best way to make a cup of tea is all a matter of personal taste. Now if you use hard water, you will get unwanted tea scum. Hard water contains calcium carbonate which reacts with the natural plant compounds in tea called polyphenols to form the scum. This can alter the flavor. So try filtering the water before boiling or try adding some lemon if you are not using milk. Secondly, you don't want to overboil the water because that will make it lose oxygen. Tea loves oxygen, which allows it to spread its flavor generously. Brew for 3 to 5 minutes. As tea brews, tannins, amino acids, aromas and flavors slowly diffuse into the water. The more you brew it, the more tannins and antioxidants are released into the brew. You want some of those because they're good for you and help fight diseases. But if you leave it for too long, you will also end up with more tannin molecules which can make the tea taste bitter. If you have ever wondered why tea is considered relaxing, it is because tea releases L-theanine, a unique amino acid that contributes to the relaxing properties of tea. Do you add your tea first or your milk first? This is an age-old debate, so it's really up to you. Adding milk first and then pouring the tea on top might make it taste better. This is because when you add hot tea to cold milk, you are bringing the milk to the temperature of the tea, distributing the flavor more evenly. However, if you add milk to tea, you are cooling the tea down. Also avoid disposable styrofoam cups. Styrofoam is porous, so it will absorb some of the flavor compounds and affect the taste. Our brain is a huge factor in how we taste. Research shows that the color of the mug you serve it in will make a difference in taste perception. Tea served in a red or pink mug will taste sweeter than tea served in a white or blue mug. This is because our brains tend to associate reddish colors with ripening fruits, and this is a good way to enjoy your tea without too much added sugar. Most importantly, sit down, relax and enjoy your cup of tea.